caught without shelter.
Waiting. Oh, here we go. Freaking go.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado warning for central Madison County in Big Bend, Florida, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 13 miles west of Madison, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact.
Oh, cool,
Flying
another
debris
tornado.
will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Madison around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Anson, Lee, Greenville, and Hopewell. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m.
Why
Eastern
aren't you
Daylight Time
activating?
for the following county: Madison, Florida.